We have an early sneaker unboxing today. I picked up this pair of sneakers a little bit early from GOAT, the GOAT app. I've never purchased a sneaker early from GOAT at all. I've purchased brand new as well as used from GOAT app, but I never pulled the trigger and copped a sneaker before its official release on GOAT. So this is my first time doing it. I'm hoping, and I'm sure it will not be the last time. I want you guys actually to please do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up right now. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. And make sure you guys subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment down below in the comments right now. And let me know, what sneaker do you want to see me pick up early next? I'm very hyped. I'm excited. Let's get right into this unboxing. If you guys love sneakers, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Stay tuned to the channel because I do want to do a giveaway with this pair of sneakers that are in this box. I want to give them away to one of you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So before I open these up, I want to tell you guys how I went about purchasing this sneaker. I purchased this sneaker on Saturday night. It was like /Sunday morning. Today is now Tuesday, and the sneaker's here. I did pay a little bit extra because I did use GOAT's instant ship feature. So basically how it works with GOAT is usually, not with instant ship, but regular, someone buys a sneaker, the seller who owns the sneaker ships it off to GOAT. GOAT then verifies that it's real, everything's authentic, and then they ship it off to the buyer. The payer receives their money. With instant ship, you don't have to wait. The sneakers are already pre-verified by GOAT, so GOAT just takes them out of their warehouse, they package them up, and ship them straight to you. It does make getting your sneakers a little bit faster. You are paying more of a premium price for shipping and everything, but you are getting them a little bit faster, and this is a sneaker I wanted to make sure that I would have early for you guys, because this sneaker does drop this week, so I needed to get these in early ASAP. GOAT had them for a decent price, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger a little bit early on a pair of Yeezys. Let's take a look. I'm hyped. I'm excited. This is a Yeezy I'm really excited for. I really am. They do drop this week. I want you guys to please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I will be showing you guys a full review of the sneaker. And if you guys show enough love on this video and in tomorrow's video, I will definitely be sure to go ahead and give away this pair of Yeezys. So we do have a size 11. I wanted to take a look at them, my size, just in case I wanted to go ahead and keep them, but I'd rather much give them away to one of you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned. We do have Azriel on the box, which is weird, because I know for a fact they changed the name of these Yeezys to Carbon, but it says Azriel on the box. Maybe they just left it as is, and all pairs will have Azriel. So right here we have some stickers, or some cards I should say, in the box. First we do have the GOAT card right here with everything checked out, and then we have, this is actually a legit check for new Yeezys, recent Yeezys anyway, the Chinese card there. And we do have, another sticker, a GOAT sticker as well. Right here we have, ooh, okay. Wow, okay. I like them. Right here we have the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon. Let's take a look. Pull them both out of the box. Let's see if they come with any extra laces. No extra laces? Okay, no extra laces for this 350 V2. I thought they would come with extra laces. I guess not. No extra laces on this Yeezy, at least not this early pair. Right here we do have the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon, also known as the Azriel. They went ahead and changed the name for whatever reason. Dope shoe. I like them a lot. I think they're clean. You do have black. You got some blue in the upper as well. Very, very nice. And then the outsole, midsole, back to that translucent that we've seen on countless 350 V2s. So this is the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon. I'm happy with them. Shout out to GOAT for having early pairs. So right here we have the bottom of the 350 V2 Carbon. Let me know what you guys think about this sneaker down below in the comments. Will you be picking these up when they do officially drop this Friday, October 2nd? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. I'll do a full in-depth review for you guys of this Yeezy in hand before it actually releases. And make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. I do have another early sneaker from GOAT already on the way. And make sure you guys leave a comment down below and let me know what other early upcoming sneaker releases do you want to see me get from GOAT. I'll go ahead and pull the trigger, get those early for you guys, and show you guys some really nice early looks at sneakers. I am looking to cop the Jordan 11 early this year, as well as the Fire Red 4s on Black Friday, so those will definitely be two I'm looking to cop early, man. These are dope. Very, very nice. I'm happy. We got the Yeezy 350 V2 Carbon. So overall, GOAT early sneakers, good to go. I will be purchasing more sneakers from GOAT. I'm excited. I do want to take a look at this Blacklight real quick with you guys on camera. Make sure that these are good. I don't see anything popping up that's not supposed to. So the Blacklight is a really good legit check. Make sure you guys cop a Blacklight. Now I'm looking at the box. There's no markings or anything on the box. So everything looks good with this pair of 350 V2s. I'm excited to have these in hand. Let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. Let me know if you're picking these up. And make sure you guys check out GOAT. This video is not sponsored. GOAT, if you want to sponsor your boy, hit me up. But make sure you guys check them out. They are legit shoes, legit used shoes, and even legit early sneakers before they even release. You will pay a premium, but it could be worth it. It really depends on your situation. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. And please, let me know what you guys think about these Yeezys. Dope or nope? I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.